Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a recipe for Copycat Texas Roadhouse Rattlesnake Bites. For this recipe, you'll need pepper jack and Monterey jack cheese, fresh jalapeños, all-purpose flour, eggs, milk, plain breadcrumbs, cayenne pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and oil for frying. Begin by dicing the jalapeños and shredding the cheese. Then combine the two in a mixing bowl and try not to fling any of the mixture out of the bowl. Next, firmly squeeze the cheese and jalapeno mixture to shape about 18 1.5-inch balls. Place the cheese balls on a cookie sheet and chill them in the freezer for at least 30 minutes. While the cheese balls are chilling, preheat your oil in a deep fryer to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, combine the breadcrumbs with the seasonings and in a separate bowl, whisk the egg and milk together. Next, coat the jalapeno cheese balls in flour, then roll them in the egg and milk mixture, and finally coat them thoroughly in the seasoned breadcrumbs. Don't forget, you can always check the description for ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and the full recipe link. If you love comfort food recipes as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes just like this one. Now let's keep cooking. Once you have all the rattlesnake bites coated, drop 4 of them at a time in the fryer for about 3.5 to 4 minutes, and then place them on a paper towel-lined plate or cookie sheet. Work in batches until you've fried them all, and then serve them fresh and hot with your favorite Cajun dipping sauce or even ranch dressing. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your Copycat Texas Roadhouse Rattlesnake Bites turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.